All right, hi guys, Piper here.
Hey, it's Elaine.
So while we're having our tea, these boxes came in and we're so excited because we are unboxing our Motives Custom Blend Foundations. We're so excited. Okay, so Elaine, I'm going to give you the first box. You open up whichever one you want to start with.
All right, well this one's handy, so I'm going to do that
All right, let's see what's in here. Oh, yeah, the cat will love those.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, all kinds of goodies in here. Okay, so these are the small powder jars, the mineral powder jars. And
there's more.
The foundation pumps. And more foundation jars. And more pumps. Ooh.
Oh, those are the...
Ooh, these are the jars.
Yeah.
Mmm. Okay, there's one more in there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. This is so fun. What is this? Oh, yay, look at this. Ah. Okay. Oh, look at these beautiful little jars.
Oh.
And they're so nicely, we should keep these so we can send them home with customers.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look how beautiful those are.
Yeah.
Look, they're frosted and beautiful, and they say Motives Custom Blend on them. Oh, awesome. So we know that there are 20 of those in there.
Wow.
And of each of those, and 20 of these little things that I think we're going to end up using these for making concealers.
Oh, far out.
I think that's going to be our best use of that after looking at all of that. All right, okay, so, all right, should we start with, this was box one. We did it out of order.
Oh.
Oh, no. Okay, so here's
It's a catastrophe. Oh, no.
All right. Should have put all the leaves in my table. All right, more. Ooh, more yummies. Okay, so more pumps. These must be for the big bottles of the product, actually.
Right.
And more droppers.
Yeah.
I think that's for the actual foundations. And so
The
we
botanicals,
have
I bet.
Custom Blend Accessory Kit. Oh, look at this. Okay. All right. So here, let's find out what those are. We're gonna maybe recycle that. Okay.
I might need the scissors.
Oh, yes, of course. There you go.
Thank you.
Toner.
Look at these colors.
Toner. Oil-free.
So
Oh my gosh, there's so many in here. Modifier. I thought we actually have this box here. Another modifier. Fringe Benefits. Beauty Balm. Blue Toner. Counteract any of the unwanted
Wow.
So.
And here's like some modifiers.
Oh, oil control.
Yeah.
Awesome. And this is a deep.
This is a new world for me, Piper, as you know.
Oh, this is gonna be so exciting. I get to teach you how to make foundation. I'm so excited. I've wanted to do something like this for a very long time, like I was telling you, like 10 or 15 years.
I'm so excited.
Trying to find a company that is worth the investment. Oh, another hydrating modifier. Oh, I love all these extras that we can put in the foundations, because then it's completely, because we are saying that it is custom, but this is completely custom. Absolutely. To the color, whichever color your skin is, to counteracting any unwanted pigments that you have, whether it's rosacea or acne, or maybe you have a more green toned skin or whatever.
Firming.
Oh, Botanical Complex Ultra Firming Modifier that we can add drops into the foundations. There's a purple toner and a curl toner. That's cool. Oh my gosh. And a thinner.
So it gives that dewy look, right?
Yes, exactly. So we have a mattifier and a sunscreen and a beauty balm and a fringe benefits. Ooh, and copper peptides. Multi-mineral complex. Wow. Okay, and a black toner and a white toner and a pink toner.
I guess for sensitive skins.
Oh, ultra soothing. Yes, I will be putting this in mine as well. Even though this is mineral makeup, I still am super sensitive. Irish, Swedish, German skin. Green toner. I love all these toners. Porcelain and a sheer perfection modifier. Wow. This is so cool.
Never ending.
I wonder what is in here. Ooh,
Oh,
what's
here.
in here? Yes. Yes, and so what Elaine and I are going to be doing is putting together some events where you can come and we can make your foundation for you, or you can have us come to your house. What is this? What is it? Oh, medium coverage enhancer. Dark coverage enhancer. Ultra light. Yellow. And coverage enhancer light. Okay.
Wow.
Wow. These are fantastic. So wonder if this is the big caddy that it,
I think so.
I think it's the caddy.
So let's put these back here, and then we will see what they'll be spinning on.
Such an amazing thing. And I love that they're plastic, so if you drop them, except the little blue bottles, let's not drop
Don't drop those.
Don't drop the little blue bottles.
All right.
Okay.
Do the honors, Piper.
All right, let's see what's in this
Stone.
big guy. Oh, a packing slip. Yay!
Okay.
Ooh. Yep, it's the caddy.
Wow.
It's huge.
Can you lift it?
There we go. Oh, it's okay. I wasn't sure if I was gonna pull it. All right. You may need to preserve the bubble wrap for transport.
Okay. Good idea.
Since it's not going to be a stationary. I mean, of course, it's going to put the salon here in my house. Sure, but. Oh, it's nice and heavy. Oh, good.
Oh, wow. Want me to lift that out?
Oh, look how beautiful this patty is. So all those yummy ingredients that we just took off, we get to put in here. Oh, and it's a Lazy Susan. Oh, how exciting.
I remember, I think the botanicals go
On the top.
on the top, if memory serves. They don't all fit, so maybe not. We'll have to play with that.
Ooh, I know. It's very exciting. So exciting.
I just can't imagine you applying all these different things into one
One little bottle.
bottle. Or, I mean, obviously not. You're not going to use all of them in one, but
No, but that's what's really great is we have so many great little additives we can add to foundations instead of all the chemicals
yeah.
that they have, for cosmetics. Because what most people don't realize is there is no regulations to the skincare and cosmetic industry. There is no FDA approval, what have you. nothing. There's no rules. People can do anything they want. So you can put any ingredient you want in any of these things. So I mean, there's a complete list of. I mean, it's microscopic. It's like super small, but it's a mineral base. So I think we maybe needed to put those on the bottom, but that's fine.
Yeah.
We're gonna play with it.
Yeah, we will.
But yes, we've got all these fantastic. That's a toner too. These oil-free foundations from very light ivory to porcelain, to beige, hazelnut, yellow brown, tan, deep, and espresso. I love that they have all the rich tones in there for all those really deep skin tones, which are beautiful. So we're very excited to be bringing this to you all, where we get to play and get to know how to make these. So,
and it's actually like another layer of protection for your skin.
yes.
You know, all of these things together because they're clean. And these are things I learned in the training that I attended, that, you know, your skin needs protection from the pollutants and all the different things that we're exposed to. And this is a great way, to walk out the door with your, you know, your face well nourished and protected.
The other thing I really like about the way this feels is it's so light. It is not heavy. You don't feel like you have a lot of cosmetics on. And even though they're just little bottles, this is going to last for, oh, I already have one open. This should last you, you know, depends on how often you make it or how much you apply it, you know, 3 to 6 months. Because it goes on so smoothly, and we can customize what you need. You need pores filled in, and you want it more matte or whatever, and so that's what's really great. And so once we write your formula down, we've got it set.
Yep.
So, and then of course, what's also great about these little tiny bottles is you have a summer formula, you have a winter formula. Right? So, very excited to be able to do that as well, because that's just really, really cool. I wonder if we can put them.
I'm excited to see you go to work with this Steph Piper.
I know, I'm really excited. I'm so excited to dig in and play with this. So, we'll look forward to hearing more information or give us a call or text or an email, and we will set up an in-home class for you and a few of your friends, and we'll make your own foundations.
Yeah, super cool.
All right. All right. Thank you, and take care.